Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we connect Visual Studio Code with the Docker-Hub repository. We start this video on the website from GitHub. We log in. If you don't have an account, you have to create it. I'm already logged in. We do the Python Hello World app, create a Docker image and push it on the GitHub registry. The GitHub registry is here on the packages. See here containers. A single place for your team to manage Docker images and decide who can see and access your images. It's this thing we're going to do today. First thing we need to do is to create a token, an access token. Therefore, we go to Settings. On the left side, we go to Developer Settings, Personal Access Token, Tokens Classic. You can do then Generate New Token. The Generate New Token Classic. You give it a name. I do Docker Registry token. I give it an expiration date of 7 days. So at the time the video is public, the token is no more valid. We do write packages. Read is automatically and delete packages. You need these two select scopes. Go down and generate token. Here you see the token. You have to copy it because if you leave the page, the token is no more visible. So you have to save it on a good place. We copy it, it's copied. Then we go to Visual Studio Code, do a remote SSH connection and access the GitHub repository. I open Visual Studio Code, create a remote connection, current window to host, select our Fedora server. You see it's opening a remote connection and we are connected. Now we go to the container. You see here we have a container from the previous video. We have an image and we have already one registry. You see in the previous video I create a registry to Docker-Hub with my username and the Python hello from my home lab app. The welcome to Docker was already on the GitHub account. So I do connect to registry. This time we select GitHub. See it here, select it. First we have to give the username. So give my username 03, yes, and the token. I paste it and enter. Keep a minute and we have already the registry on GitHub. I open it and you see I have two accounts. Why is that? You go to the website. You go to repositories. So you have my account and you have the account from the organizations. So if you're not a member of an organization, you only have here one account. The first is my username. The second is the organization. I open it and you see it's empty. Also here, it's empty. The next step is to build the image. from the Docker file. I copy the command docker build with the name of the GitHub container registry, username, and the name of the image. Don't forget at the end the dot. The dot means look for a Docker file in the current directory. Enter. See, it's building. It only take a minute and it's finished. And you see images. We have the image with latest. Now we can push the image to the GitHub container registry. Right click, push. See here the address from the GitHub registry, username, and the name of the image, and the tag latest. Enter. And you see it's downloading. It's finished. Open it. Username. And you see we have our image with the tag latest. Now we can remove the local image. Remove it. Yes. So now it's gone. Now we can pull it from the GitHub registry. Before we pull the image from the GitHub registry to our local image directory, we go to the website GitHub, go to packages, and you see we have our image on the GitHub website. Open it. As you can see, we have here the command to pull it. You have here the tags, and you see we have a private registry. You can change that to public, so everybody can download it. You go to packages settings, go down, and you see change visibility, and also you can delete the package. But for now, we only want to change it from private to public. See it here, public. You copy the name, copy it, and paste it, and understand the consequences, change package visibility. Okay. We go back, packages, open it, and you see now it's public. Everybody can access it. Now we go back to Visual Studio Code. Go here on the latest, right mouse button, pull image. Click on it, see pulling, et voila, we have it here. We can also run it directly. So I remove it, remove, yes. This one can close. We can also run it. So I cleared the terminal, paste the command, docker run with IT, so we can see the logs, address from the GitHub registry, username, image name, latest. Okay. Kind of found it, we download it, et voila. Start Python hello world. 1 hello world from my home lab, 2 hello world from my home lab, and every time we count 1 endless loop. Stop it. We remove container, and we remove the image. We go to Docker Compose and change here the image name. This image is from Docker Hub. Open it. This one here. I copy in, copy it, remove old username. So again, we have image, address from the GitHub server, username from GitHub, of course, and the name of the image. Save it, Control S, commit it, so we can see it on the GitHub registry. Update Docker Compose. Yes, commit. Thing changes. Okay. And now we can do Docker Compose up. So we run this Docker Compose file. Enter. And you see the container is running. If we go here to the containers, you see it's running. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.